Okay. See cover page for this item is inactive. You won't see that here. So lean post 25013, right. Okay. Remember how to locate resource trick. See another one is added. And same. The same class will be assigned to this item. And this is the new one that we added. And can you send? If you click next, what will happen? You send it to all those who are assigned that there's another new item being assigned to this particular course. Now select means I added here. So see, now I will define that, what all population has to be sending to. So this is step further. We find the population according to the completion status and assignment type. So whenever somebody goes to this item and they complete any one of them, this is the assignment type. Remember, from reference, we can assign this assignment type and the completion status any one of them. So this was the right one. And I click on it. That this is the completion ID. And I want to send it to any particular user. Now selected user will start receiving these emails. So what kind of email will they receive? They will receive the details of this particular training, that a classroom has been set up for you. These are the timing, these are the resources that you want to bring along. So I send it to the administrator, not the user. But I still don't understand. Why do we need to send them an email notification from here if they have enrolled and they receive a confirmation? So what is the purpose of sending this email notification? I still don't understand. That's okay. That is a little confusing for everyone initially. So I enrolled into one training. Okay. Yeah, I will receive an enrollment notification. Correct. But now I have set up a class for that class, the timings, what resources you need to bring along. Like, you have to bring your laptop, you have to bring your notebook, pen, everything with you. The timings are 9 a.m. This is the classroom where the training will happen, because these are not in your registration or enrollment notification. Enrollment notification will just tell you that you have been enrolled in this particular training and you can attend this class. It will just give you how many hours the class is for stuff like that, but other details, the class details. The class detail will not be there in the registration. That is a separate one. I said that, okay, this class will occur in Singapore office, 4th floor, this particular room. Right. And what do you have to do? Whatever resources I added, like laptop projector, all these things you should be bringing along with you. So that is a separate notification. That's email notification I'm sending to you, to each user. From here, I will pick that email template. So this is the customized one. So I pick any one of them. Would you like to give somebody's email ID where they can reply to? If you don't give, it will be a no reply email. From now on, you always choose your company's email. Getting me? So this is a separate additional one for them for more information. Like I want you to bring all these details, all these laptops and everything with you. Registration is different. Registration is like okay. Janice has registered herself into one training, Sap LMS. That's it. Your registration. Your seats are confirmed. Okay. Okay. It confirms that you have been registered. Now this email will give you this notification, will give you all the information that what is the class timing. Where will this class be happening? What all things you need to bring along with you. Oh, okay, so it's additional information. So if I can actually add all this information, have all this information of what they need to bring in the confirmation email itself by doing a customization, by editing the message itself, then I don't have to send this right. Of course. See what happens, the confirmation, enrollment or cancellation. These notifications are not always, but most of the time are fixed. Isn't it? You're getting me. The moment I enroll somewhere, a generic notification will trigger and it will say that okay, Janice has been enrolled into this item and these are the information. That's it, right? It has that. That's a generic one. I cannot edit those generic ones. Ideally we should not. Ideally we should not. Because these are the training-related things which should go to everyone directly, right? You can do all the changes in your customized notification, this notification. So this particular one is called the customization one. This is going to add it to subordinate, and subject means whoever subordinates or employees you have added. We chose few people right now, right? This will be sent to only those people who enroll. Yeah, who enroll. So those who have to enroll will receive this. Okay. Along with it, you will have options to attack something you said. Okay, I want to send this email to somebody else. Okay. I want to attack something. So you can attack something if you have something.